Hello everyone. Today let's delve into enterprise architecture. I will start by introducing some basic concepts, and then we will discuss how to apply them in practice. I'm also working on a series about banking business, which will be released soon. Once these two series are stable, I will be rolling out the agile project management and the product design practical series as well. If you are interested in these topics, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also leave your questions in the comments below. I will select some representative ones and answer them in short videos. Now, let's get back to the topic. How do we do things in our work and life? Usually, it's like this. We have an idea, we take action, and finally, we get the result. Architecture design is not different. We start with business requirements, which trigger business activity, and in the end, we achieve business objective. Business activity always involves some kind of creation or modification. Let me give you two simple examples. First, we want to eat a steak. That's a business requirement. Turning the beef into a steak is a business activity. Finally, eating the steak is the business objective. In the process, the beef is modified into a steak. Second, we want to open a bank account. That's the business requirement. The bank staff helps us with the process. That's the business activity. And when we get the account, that's the business objective. In this case, the bank account is created. So, how do we accomplish these activities? The answer is capability. To use the previous examples again, if I don't know how to make a steak, even though I want to eat it, I won't be able to make it because I lack the capability. Similarly, if I go to McDonald's to ask them to open a bank account for me, they can't do it either because their staff doesn't have the necessary capability. As a result, the account won't be created. It's clear? The capability determines whether we can complete a business activity. Now, let's consider a simple business activity. For instance, if Tom has the capability to do this, he can complete it on his own. But in modern business, many activities are complex and can be completed by just one person. For example, to complete a complex business activity, Tom has the capability to do task 1. Jim has the capabilities for task 2 and 3. And Lucy has the capability to do task 4. Task 1 is completed by Tom, task 2 and 3 by Jim, and task 4 by Lucy. They each play their part and work together to complete the business activity, right? So, we can say that A business activity is made up of several tasks. These tasks belong to different business components and relate to different capabilities. Each task creates or modifies one or more entities. One more thing to emphasize. In enterprise architecture, to ensure data integrity and accurate function calls, each capability and component is enterprise level. What does this mean? It means that if Tom can do something, only Tom will do it. If Jim can do something, only Jim will do it. There won't be a situation where both Tom and Jim can do the same thing. So, if Tom is responsible for creating or modifying an entity, Jim cannot touch that entity. This ensures the clarity and the stability of the architecture. And at this point, we have arrived at the Metamodel of enterprise architecture. Alright, if you find this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will select some representative ones and answer them in short videos. See you next time.